All right, friends, it is 7:20 in the morning. I am not a morning person, but I am up for orientation. First day travel assignment. About to go see what we're doing today. What is going on, you guys? So I am stuck in traffic driving to my first travel assignment or whatnot. Got all my junk in the back. And it's a 10-hour drive, but I'm like halfway there. So keep you guys posted. All right, friends, it is 7:20 in the morning. I am not a morning person, but I am up for orientation. First day travel assignment. About to go see what we're doing today. So I have my bag. I did get lunch, but I got a whole bunch of fruit for today. I assume they have a cafeteria. It's a pretty big hospital, so I may just get something from there. But yeah, water bottle, purse, jacket. Got my bag, ready to go.
I feel like I'm at home. I mean, it was really weird putting the one accent.
Okay, so this facility has a hallway here that is called the Employees Tunnel. So this is the hallway that you use to get inside of the actual hospital from the parking garage. To get to the ER, it takes about 15-20 minutes. So yeah, that was a walk every day. Get there, meet the new managers, get my badge, meet my new co-workers that's starting with me, and we get the day started. Thankfully, I was able to get a preceptor, this beautiful face right here. I had worked with her prior to becoming a nurse, and I was so glad to see her because it was just like a ray of sunshine. You have no idea. So after a day and a half of orientation, I was on my own. Roughly 1-to-4, 1-to-5 patient ratio. They did have ED holds down there, so that got a little bit crazy. This is a level 2 trauma center, 200 plus ED alone. They had separate pediatric and adult ERs, but I worked on the adult side. Lots of trauma, very, very, very busy ER in Metro Atlanta. So I ended up moving from that first hotel simply because of the traffic. It took like 45 minutes, an hour just in traffic to get to the location. This is the second place I chose. Had to leave here too because, yeah, that. So I had a little friend in my room, ate through my bag, ate my bananas, and then took a crap on the counter. Yeah, got up out of there. This is the third place I stayed. Absolutely loved it. Almost full kitchen, no stove, but they did offer a portable stovetop. And this was Home 2 Suites by Hilton. This hotel offered an outdoor fire pit that I utilized almost on every off day that I had available. Very refreshing just to be outside. Of course, I found a gym. I'm a member of Anytime Fitness, so they're located all over the United States. Didn't have a problem with finding one. I also found a location that offered boot camp classes that I went to before I went to work. They welcomed me with open arms. So y'all, I really enjoyed this location. If you ever want to go burn boot camp, I also did a couple hikes. This particular one was up Stone Mountain. Took about an hour to go up, same time to go down. Very refreshing, good detox to get away from that environment of the ER. So I ended up food prepping while I was there. This saved me a lot of time and a lot of money from just trying to find something to eat and then eating out. In the cafeteria in the hospital was like a 10-minute walk from the ER. So yeah. But don't get me wrong, I did eat out. This particular place, I loved it, y'all. It's called Revolving Sushi Factory. So if you're ever in Kennesaw, Georgia, you have to try it out. So this concludes my first travel assignment, you guys. Super pumped, very busy. It was exhausting working those 48 hours, but I'm glad I did it. A lot of experience, and I'm looking forward to the next one.